Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the options and how to turn off airplane mode in Samsung Galaxy S22. As you can see, our airplane mode is enabled. In the top right corner we have our airplane symbol. To turn it off, we need to swipe from the top, and here is our airplane mode. To turn it off, we simply tap this option and now it's gone. If we can't find our airplane mode here, we can turn it off by going to Settings, Connections, and our airplane mode is here. We simply need to tap this option here, and now our airplane mode is turned off. What does airplane mode do? Here is a little short explanation. And now our airplane mode is turned off. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.